Here how to lose belly fat and weight with ginger. The ginger is commonly used as kitchen spice and as medicine. The ginger consumption can provide internal balance, weight loss and a lot of healthy benefits. Here are some of them. Boosts the metabolism. The ginger has fat-burning properties. It helps you feel full for longer period of time and reduces the intake of calories. It is an appetite suppressant, and it is ideal for the weight loss process. Relieves sore muscles. The ginger helps relieve the muscle inflammation and soreness after exercise because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Helps the digestion. It can relieve digestive problems like acid reflux, bloating, indigestion and stomach upset. It stimulates saliva, gastric juice and bile production. Consuming ginger tea between the meals can stimulate the production of stomach acid and ensure proper food absorption. Controls the diabetes. Ginger tea consumption can help control type 2 diabetes. Its active compounds, gingerols, increase the insulin sensitivity and prevent some disorders related to diabetes. The ginger tea is easy to be prepared, and it is delicious. It will provide your body with numerous health benefits. Here is what you need to prepare it. Needed ingredients: ginger root sliced, raw, lemon juice, honey. Instructions: put the ginger slices into a large mug and pour hot water not boiling over them. Cover the mug and let it stay for 5 to 10 minutes and then remove the ginger slices. Add the lemon juice or honey 1 to 2 tablespoons if you like, and the tea is ready. Drink it before the meals and before going to sleep. It will activate the metabolism overnight and burn calories. In the morning you can do cardio workouts for 30 minutes to get the results very soon. Enjoy! If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.